In the fiercely competitive world of true wireless earbuds, finding a pair that balances quality, features, and affordability can feel like a challenge. However, Realme has just raised the bar with their latest Buds Air 7 Pro. A pair of earbuds that promises to outperform even some of the top-tier models like Apple's AirPods Pro. But at a fraction of the price. Realme, known for delivering solid value in the tech space, has launched the Buds Air 7 Pro alongside the Realme GT7 smartphone, marking a significant upgrade from their previous Buds Air 6 Pro. This new generation of earbuds not only steps up the sound quality and noise cancellation, but also introduces innovative features like real-time language translation, a game-changer for frequent travelers and multilingual users. Let's start with the standout feature that sets these earbuds apart in the crowded market: the active noise cancellation technology. Buds Air 7 Pro's ANC system boasts a noise cancellation depth of up to 53 decibels. To put that in perspective, this is notably higher than the 35 decibels ANC offered by the AirPods Pro 2, which many consider the benchmark in the category. This enhanced noise reduction is made possible by a wider noise filtering bandwidth that spans up to 5000 Hz, allowing the earbuds to effectively block out a broad range of ambient noises from the low rumble of city traffic to the higher-pitched chatter in busy cafes or airports. On top of the powerful ANC, Realme has equipped these earbuds with a dual driver setup, an 11mm woofer for rich bass response, and a 6mm tweeter to deliver crisp highs and detailed mids. This combination ensures a balanced and immersive sound experience, whether you're listening to punchy electronic beats, acoustic ballads, or engaging podcasts. The inclusion of a dual DAC audio chip further enhances the fidelity, minimizing distortion and elevating clarity. The Buds Air 7 Pro also carry the prestigious high-res audio certification, underlining Realme's commitment to high-quality sound. To support seamless audio streaming, they offer compatibility with the advanced LDAC codec, along with the popular AAC and SBC codecs, catering to a wide range of devices, and ensuring you get the best possible sound quality regardless of your source. But what really makes these earbuds special is the integration of artificial intelligence for real-time language translation, supporting direct dialogue translation and recognition of 32 different languages. This feature is tailored for those who often find themselves navigating multilingual environments. Whether you're traveling, attending international meetings, or simply communicating with friends from different linguistic backgrounds, the real-time translation capability on Buds Air 7 Pro acts like your personal interpreter, removing language barriers in a way that was once only possible with dedicated devices or apps. Connectivity is smooth and reliable, thanks to Bluetooth 5.4. which also ensures minimal latency as low as 45 milliseconds during gaming. This means that when you're playing games or watching videos, audio remains perfectly synced with the visuals, eliminating frustrating delays. Realme has also enhanced the spatial audio experience by incorporating 3D sound effects, which provide a more immersive and enveloping listening environment. Durability is another area where Buds Air 7 Pro excel. With an IP55 rating, the earbuds are resistant to dust and water splashes, making them suitable for workouts, outdoor activities, or just daily wear, without worrying about sweat or light rain damaging the device. Furthermore, 6 built-in microphones work in tandem to reduce background noise during calls, ensuring clear and uninterrupted conversations even in noisy settings. Battery life on these earbuds is equally impressive. Each earbud packs a 62 mAh battery, complemented by a 530 mAh charging case. When ANC is turned off, the combined playback time can reach up to 48 hours, meaning you can go days without reaching for a charger. Even with noise cancellation enabled, the earbuds provide solid longevity. And for those times when you're in a rush, a quick 10-minute charge offers up to 11 hours of listening, a remarkable feature that keeps you powered throughout the day. Fully charging the earbuds in case takes roughly 2 hours, which is quite reasonable for this battery capacity. The Buds Air 7 Pro come in 4 appealing colors: classic white, vibrant red, sleek silver lemon, and a stylish moss green. catering to different tastes and personal styles. Currently launched in China at an accessible price of 449 yuan, roughly 1.59 million Vietnamese dong. The earbuds represent excellent value for the features packed inside. While realme hasn't officially announced international availability yet, early indications suggest a global rollout is on the horizon, though it remains unclear whether the earbuds will be sold in Vietnam soon. Regardless, their feature set and pricing position them as a serious contender for anyone hunting for high-quality ANC earbuds on a budget. In conclusion, the Realme Buds Air7 Pro impress as a premium-quality true wireless earbud solution that challenges the dominance of higher-priced competitors. With industry-leading noise cancellation, outstanding audio components, real-time translation, support, and robust battery life, they tick nearly every box for modern users. Their stylish design and rugged IP55 rating further add to their appeal for active lifestyles. For those looking to invest in earbuds that combine cutting-edge tech with practical features without breaking the bank, Buds Air7 Pro should definitely be on your radar. As the market evolves, Realme continues to prove that premium features don't have to come with premium prices.